Hello, Madam. Good day. My name is Marinela Rosalie Amoyen, single parent to my daughter. She's 23 years old. I have working experience in abroad in Singapore since August 2012 to October 2014. I taking care one child. She's a girl, 7 years old, and one small dog. I have working experience in Hong Kong since March 2015 until September 2021. My latest employment, I working 4 years at two elderly. They are couple. Their age 70 and 72. My personality is hardworking person, honest, trustworthy, initiative, loving, and caring. If you hired me as your domestic helper, I will take care of your children and I love them as my own child. I thank you.